So here I have the Raspberry Pi 4, 1 gig. Okay, this one here, then usually that one here. Alright, here is the device. So we can see there's a couple of USB 3 ports, USB 2, Ethernet. So audio, this is the power, USB-C, and this is actually mini HDMI. We'll do that right now. Okay, this is the case. What we have here. Let's open this up and see, there's nothing in there. Wow. So this is the case. This goes all around the Pi now. This is a slightly newer model. Okay, and here we have, wow, quite a few thermal pads. Let's all that out here. No, let's see. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 contact points. So if we look at this, it lines up to here. I think this is for power, CPU, VRAM, and another chip here, which just basically lines up to this. Yep. So now we have to put in the pads. Okay, let's put the screws to the side. Also the extra pieces. This is nice. This is also an improvement. They're both plastic sheets on both ends. Last time on one side was paper, so it tends to tear. So let's peel one side off. Let's apply it on. Make sure it lines up properly. Okay, it's not aligned. Let's just adjust. Okay. Oops. Line it up a little bit. There we go, that's one. Don't peel off both sides yet. We just peel off one side. Once everything's on, then peel on so we don't get our fingers stain on that one. Alright, here's 2. Okay, this should be a slightly bigger one. Of the 2 squares, you see the 2 sizes. This one looks a bit torn, so don't use that one. Let's push that one. Another one of the small pieces. Oh, so this kit is nice. It gives you a nice complete duplicate in case you need to change in the future. Okay, now we have this done. Let's push them down a little bit. Then we shall slowly remove the plug, then the other plastic layer. Oops, don't come off. Should be pretty easy to come off. Yep, it's fallen off already. There's the other one. One more. Ooh. It's not as sticky as the other one. Okay, let's come off a little bit. Just realign it. Yeah. Just be careful, it's a bit of a static, we'll just pick it up. Okay, let's push it down and stick it on a bit. And then slowly flick off the plastic again. Okay, let's realign it a little bit. Alright, now we're good. So similar to the previous one, we want to see, okay, Okay, you see the slot here. This means this is for the RAM slot that's here for an SD card. So it should go this way, and you can see the 4 screw holes here, 1, 2, 3, 4, which should match with the 4 holes here. So yeah, just line the card up inside. Oh, there you go. That's interesting. It's not. So there's actually a holder, and there's actually an extra gap here. Okay, that's nice. So only the screw holes is lined up below. You'll know it's correct when the connectors here are kind of sitting right there. Okay, now we take the other one. You can see where's the how it lines up. Right, you just cover. Good. I need to press on a little bit because of the pads. You should not need a lot of pressure. You're gonna screw it on anyway, so let's put in the 4 screws. So this is nice. This kit gives you one extra. And we just take the Allen key and tighten it. I don't like to tighten all the way, but okay, we make sure that it goes in and starts to go in first. Okay, you can tell it starts to go in. You can do the 4 screws first. Okay, don't tighten it in case that you need to shift. Then you tighten it and you want to adjust, and it's gonna be tough. Okay, with this one, that's the last one. Okay, you can feel it as it goes in. Because it's the last one really, I can check if it feels okay. I can tighten it. What I like to do is I go diagonally across to the other screw. Okay, I can tighten it. Or not all the way yet, probably about 95%. And I go down this way. So it's kind of like doing an X. And this one. But the last bit might be easier to just change it with a shorter end. This is personal preference, of course. Okay. Don't have to over tighten it. Once this goes in, you can kind of feel it. Yeah, alright, that's about it. That's it. Assembled. And what we do next, the final bit is the micro SD card. This side here at the top, if it's faces up, okay, this way, and we push it in. Voila, this guy is done.